What's up, MD fam?
Yeah. Okay.
We're here with Jack.
Oh, well, I didn't know that was going to go that quickly, but...
Today's video is a little bit shaky.
I suck at filming.
You don't suck at filming. You were wearing the GoPro, but it's a little loose on you.
Yeah, it's a Hero 2 also.
And it's, so it doesn't have
We're
any
getting
smoothing.
the Hero 8. Stay tuned.
Yeah. So where are we on this bike ride?
Well, we are at Rockwood Park right now, going up a grassy hill with mud.
And
not technically mud.
Why are we
dirt.
going uphill? What's the deal?
I have no idea why.
Well, all the trails.
Well, the trails are mostly on the road and the parking lot. Ethan's doing no hands again.
The trails all start kind of from uphill. So you bike up the hill. Here's the beginning of the trail system.
We have to go down a little loop. I'm not familiar with small spaces, but I suck.
What? I don't even know what that means, buddy.
I suck at small spaces.
So tell them a little bit about your bike adventure. What'd you think of it?
Well, it was fun, but it hurt my nuts a lot.
Yeah, and that's because you don't have a mountain bike, right? You've got a road bike with no suspension.
I have a road bike with no suspension
no
or
gears.
I'd just put it on hard for the whole time, and I could just push hard once, and then it would go super fast.
But what happened here was that...
Ethan...
Ethan's wearing the camera. And who's Ethan? They don't
My cousin.
know. Sit up a little closer to the mic.
My cousin!
No, not that close. You just You just clipped the sound. So, Cousin Ethan is your quarantine buddy.
Yep, he's my quarantine buddy.
And, so Rockwood Park has a lot of pretty coal trails.
Yeah,
this one, what was this one called? Do you remember?
This one,
It started on the race trail.
The race trail.
And then what was the one that we veered off onto called? Do you remember?
Simon Says.
Simon Says, and it's named after a friend of mine, her kid Simon, who is a mountain biker.
Yeah, it wasn't very... I thought it would be kid-friendly, but...
It was really hard, wasn't it?
It was really hard.
This was kind of a black diamond.
Oh, this will be easy. And then when I went on it, I was like, ah!
Now, this part's not bad.
Yeah, true. It's just
But it gets really... Yeah,
at
the
the
beginning
end,
was good.
I literally fell off my bike and fell asleep. My GoPro batteries died before that.
I think you got a little bit worn out, maybe.
I did.
From doing the...
You should... Okay. We're gonna upload a dirt bike video. Stay tuned.
Yeah, you know what we should do? We should upload...
I've said stay tuned twice in this video.
We should upload a video. You could do a review of your CRF 50, your Honda CRF 50.
I might be selling
You gotta talk closer to the microphone. You can't get that far away or it'll sound really crappy.
I might be selling the CRF 50 and getting a new one next year? Or the year after that?
The year after, maybe.
Year after.
You know, my dad loved when you got that motorcycle.
Oh, I love it.
50.
I'm not... when I'm in third gear, I just barely pull it. Once I pulled it all the way back on purpose, and then I went zooming down the road.
Yeah, it's a little bit fast.
It is
It has 3.1 horsepower, but imagine having 3 horses pulling you along. That's pretty fast.
That's pretty fast.
You're a small guy. I can ride your bike, and it feels fast when I ride it. So
it feels a little slow when I ride it on first gear, but when I go up to third gear, I'm like zooming in the wind.
So what's going on in the video now?
Well, we're just on a rocky little trail. Sorry about my filming is bad. I apologize. Just I was wearing the vest on the GoPro.
So what would you do next time if we went to Rockwood Park again? Would you do the easier trails?
Yeah.
Yeah. This one, it turns out, is an expert trail, but we didn't know that. What's the app called? It's called something Forks. Trail Forks.
Trail Forks.
And it'll show you...
I was looking on it.
It'll show you a map of all these trails if you're ever riding in Rockwood Park in St. John. These are some pretty big routes. You did pretty well. I would say... I walked my bike, I would say, for half of the thing. Because over the big routes and stuff, I just can't.
Yeah, well, it's hard.
And your pedals were set to have to pedal quite hard to keep the bike moving. So you pedaled it uphill. Oh,
Oh,
You don't want to do that, right? That causes it to clip.
Sorry about the clipping.
We're not re-recording this narration because we tried once and it didn't work.
It didn't work. Yeah.
And you have to get to bed, and I have to get to bed because I'm working.
I'm gonna shop in bed, I think.
Shop.
Shop.
You need to get some sleep. What was that guy's dog's name? Tony?
Tony Prince.
It's funny. The same guy is in the video twice.
You
We
know-
saw him twice on the trail.
Oh yeah. You know Tony Prince, GTA 5?
I wrecked my shoes on this trail. My my
Guy.
Brooks Beast sneakers that I
Oh, you
love.
did? We might be doing a gaming channel.
No, we're not doing a gaming channel. I gotta lose weight. My weight, by the way, 246.8. It was 245 yesterday, but then I ate sushi and the salt, I think. And I was talking last time we looked at this. I don't like seeing my own back because I don't like admitting how big my love handles are. It's very sad for me. Anyway, that's the end of the narration.
Stay tuned, subscribe, and like the video. Make sure to hit that bell button.
See you next time,
See you next time.
Bye bye.